What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk, and today we have a banger. Super excited for this review. Definitely wanted this shoe. Soon as I seen it on social media, I definitely wanted this shoe. This is the Tropical Pink Travis Scott Lows. This also dropped with another pair that's very similar, the Shy Pink, but unfortunately we don't have those to review. If we come up on the Shy Pink, we definitely will put out a review for y'all, so be on standby. Big shout out to Sneaker Politics here in Baton Rouge on the in-store raffle. This is how we were able to get these pairs. All right, now before we get started, you know I gotta shout out some shoes. We have some videos that is uploaded on the channel, so make sure y'all go watch those videos if you have not watched them. We are going to drop more videos coming soon. It's been kind of slowed up. We've been kind of on the back burner with the videos and editing and stuff like that, but don't worry, they're all coming out. Still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. We're almost half into the year. We've got some more subscribers, but we just not getting there, so make sure y'all keep shouting out the page, keep sharing, and keep supporting. We really appreciate that. All right, let's get
looking mean, get you blue to ashes. Hold up, how they cap about the struggle? Every diamond came from out the puddle. I'm shifting gears, I'm in that foreign muscle. I'm getting paid, but I'm ignoring trouble. You know they hate to see you win. I keep that just to bust they bubble. Ain't no love inside my city, they'll love to see you losing. I thought you was my dog, this shit confusing. So if I cut your water, you created an illusion. I remember going harder, that's the type of point I'm proving. My dog just hit my line like what you moving. Meet me at the college, at the Juvens. Niggas.
All right, let's get into the video. So we do have a size 10 here, and we have a size 6. I'm gonna go over both, but for the main portion of the review, I'm gonna go over my personal pair. They're already out of the box, so I'm just gonna show y'all the box really quickly. We have this cream color and this light pink on the box. Absolutely love the box. It says Sail, Tropical Pink, and Shy Pink. This is how they come wrapped. Same colors on the paper, double wrapped. These came out today. Actually, it's May 29th. So the retail on these are about $155, but these are pretty limited, so you're probably not getting those for retail. This is how they look. Very, very clean. My favorite colors. I love white, I love pink, and I love red. So these are my favorite. Well, this is not red, but it's like, what color is this? All right. So as you can see, we have this leather, this sail leather around the shoe. The toe box, it's like cracked leather. We have a matte light pink here, Shy Pink. On the tongue, this is how they look. Got Nike Air in red or Tropical Pink. Cactus Jack right here. This is the swoosh. Love, 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 love this color. Reverse swoosh, of course. It's the inside. It also has a Cactus Jack symbol on the inside near the swoosh. Have the Air Jordan on the back, embroidered in that same color as the swoosh. This is the bottom of the shoe, pink. These are the laces that it comes with. There's also some lace swaps. I'm gonna get to that in a second. This is what the inside of the shoe looks like. Travis Scott Nike Air. Has a heart with a arrow inside of it. There's also something up here near the toe box on the inside. So a few details on the inside. Yeah, they're in super tight, so we're not gonna be able to take the insole out, but this is how they look. All right, I'm gonna show y'all the other one. This is the lace swap that I was talking about here. Got pink, got this color right here. Inside is a little different. got the pink and it's like pink and black Air Jordan wing at the top, and then there's the Cactus Jack, and then there's a Jumpman in pink. I'm gonna tilt it a little bit so hopefully y'all can see. Yep. Also on this one there's a heart. These did get pushed back, so I'm not sure if these were supposed to drop near Valentine's Day, but they did get pushed back. On the back, another symbol, Travis Scott symbol here, which is different from the other shoe. These details are the same because they're men's shoes, but I'm just going to show y'all what the bigger size would look like. Stock lining, same details, laces, bottom. There was a few glue stains on the shoe, not super noticeable, but they were there for sure. But other than that, I would say the quality is not bad at all. Same box. But yeah, this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, these came out today, May 29th, for retail of $155. This is the tropical pink. Also came with the twin, the shy pink. Fortunately, we did not have those. But yeah, thank y'all for watching.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail like